Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The King and the Wise Man. A moral story: always be just and fair. A lazy king ruled a kingdom far away. Even though he wanted his kingdom to grow rich, he was too lazy to do his work. Instead, he had a few ministers who took care of all the work. But these ministers were wicked and cheated all the people. No one had the courage to go to the king to complain to him. One day, an old wise man was visiting the town. Everyone went to him to seek advice. They said, "Please, help us. We pay a lot of tax and don't save anything. These ministers are mean and cheat us. What should we do?" The wise man thought for a moment and said, "Let me go and talk to the king. I am sure he will understand your situation." The old wise man explained the situation to the king. The king was fair and trusted his people. He immediately dismissed his ministers and appointed the wise man. In time, the wise man taught the king the importance of hard work.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.